Hello everyone and welcome to another Hackolade how-to video. In this video I'm going to try and tie together the different aspects of our command line interface that I have demonstrated in previous videos. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to try and create a very simple way that will show you how you can use the command line interface to automate some of your workflows. What have I done? I've basically created a new little document over here, which is a script, a shell script, and you have the same thing on Windows or other platforms, a batch file or whatever you want to call it, that will automate the execution of all of the different steps that we had in our previous videos. Right, so first of all, we're going to reverse engineer a PostgreSQL database. Then secondly, we're going to compare that model that we have generated from the reverse engineering with a previously generated model. And then here we're going to create the DDL script and finally generate the documentation. This is a very simple shell script. I am not a bash programmer, as you will see, but still, this thing can and will be called from, for example, a GitHub action or some other trigger, and it will basically do everything that we want it to do. Right, so first step here, we're going to reverse engineer a PostgreSQL database into a Hackolade data model. I'm going to pause the recording here for a second. And here we are. We've gone to the next step already. The reverse engineering has completed and it has saved the model into the directory. And it's already started the second phase, right? It's compared that model to the previous model. And it's also already started the third step, which is it's generating the DDL script for my comparison model. And the fourth step has already started as well. It is generating the different PDF, HTML, and Markdown documentation artifacts. PDF is, what it is. It's a PDF document. The HTML document is super interesting because it includes all of the graphics into one comprehensive document. And the Markdown is interesting because it will have all of the graphics put into a separate folder where all the PNGs are there for you to use and integrate into other systems. Right, so this is all going completely automatically, in one simple shell script. Nothing that you have to do in order to trigger this. You can call this from wherever, and as you will see here, the directory is already here, right? So I've got the documentation directory filling up nicely. So this is how you can work with a simple shell script to automate your pipelines. Much more sophistication is possible there, but I hope that this was already useful and that you will enjoy this, using this in your workflows. I wish you a wonderful day.